The first instinct humans have when they crash is to reach out. Yes. You extend your arms and you reach out. Now imagine that happening at 80 kilometers an hour on an Indian road where there are a lot of pebbles. The road is like sandpaper, and as soon as your palms touch the road, you are basically going to scrape the skin clean out of your palms and sometimes break your wrist. But all this can be prevented simply by buying a glove with sliders for your palm. This is Zignesh Chadpar. Welcome to MotoDNG, and today we are going to have a conversation about gloves that are under 5,000 rupees, and all of them have sliders to protect your palms and a lot of other features to keep you safe while riding in the Indian weather. Number one on this list is Rynox urbanex gloves. These are completely CE certified level 1 protection. They also are abrasion resistant. They have a pre-curved design for comfort. They are also ventilated very well, and the pricing is 3,500, which is again amazing. The cons of these gloves are limited wrist protection. They are not full gauntlet gloves, so they don't protect your wrists a lot, but that is okay if you're riding short rides. For longer rides, I would prefer to go for a full gauntlet glove. Plus, they are leather, so they are not good for the rainy weather. Number two is Viaterra's holeshot Pro. Now, there are two holeshots. This is my personal favorite because this is priced under 5,000 rupees, but it has CE level 2 certification for the knuckle protection and the slider protection. The leather is premium goatskin leather, which offers a natural water resistance and has superior strength for abrasion protection. The ventilation of this glove is amazing. You will not find a better ventilated glove at this price point until and unless it's a dual sport glove, which we are going to have a conversation again further down the video. They are also touchscreen compatible. You can use your phone while you're riding, which I do not recommend, but you stop and use your phone. They also come with a visor wiper where you can wipe your visor with the left hand while you are riding, which is great for rainy weathers. And with the price of 4.2, 4.3 thousand, these are very well rounded. The cons, they don't have a lot of gauntlet protection, but they also have a decent enough wrist protection, so you don't have to worry about it. And the break-in process is time consuming. These are going to be uncomfortable initially until you break the gloves in. Number three are the Rynox Gravel. These are priced at 3,500. They come with Flex Protect, which is basically impact protection, but that is flexible, not hard knuckles. But again, for normal casual riding in the city and sometimes highways, this is one of the best gloves you can find. These gloves are made with premium soft leather. They have reinforced panels added for durability. The ventilation is a 3D ventilated mesh, which I think it is new, but the ventilation is decent. The fit is dual sport fit. You don't have a lot of gauntlet protection with dual sport gloves, but you don't need a lot of gauntlet protection for casual riding. They are touchscreen compatible as well, so you don't need to worry about using your phone while wearing these gloves. You don't need to take it on and off constantly. These are leather gloves, meaning they are not that great for riding in the rain. Most of the time these are out of stock, so you have to wait and find it. But if you find them, they are a very good pair of gloves for city riding and for dual sport riding. Number four is Rynox's Tornado Pro 4 glove. Now, these are a little pricier. These are again at 4,500, but they have D30 impact protection. D30 gloves generally are superior. The chassis of these gloves are made from leather, and they also have mesh panels to ensure that you have decent enough ventilation through and through. For fit and comfort, they are pre-curved, meaning that you don't have to break them in that much compared to other gloves on this list. Again, they are touchscreen compatible and they have decent protection everywhere. They have some decent break-in period, so I would recommend, even though they are pre-curved, you break them in before taking them for a longer ride. Ventilated leather gloves do not go well with rains. You need specialized rain gloves for rains. Do not wear gloves that are ventilated and made of leather in the rain. And the last on this list is the Viaterra's holeshot, not the pro version, but the short version, which is not a full gauntlet glove, but it's still a very decent option with CE level 1 certification and CE level 2 certification with the Knox sliders. The ventilation is decent. They are made out of premium materials and they will not break easily. The con of this glove would not be a lot, but these are not as good as the holeshot Pro, but they are still very decent. I would recommend everyone to have a decent pair of gloves. Apart from protecting your head, the second things you want to protect are your hand while you are riding. Viaterra and Rynox provide very good options. There are other options in the market as well. I personally would use all of these gloves and go for a ride, so these are my personal favorites. If you have other options, go comment them in the comment section. If you like the content that I'm producing, do like, share and subscribe to MotoDNG. This is Zignesh Chadpar, and I'll see you guys in the next one.